In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 301 redirects in Squarespace. A 301 redirect is a simple, powerful way to tell browsers and search engines that a page has permanently moved to a new address. That matters because it preserves the SEO value you've built up on the old link and prevents visitors from hitting a dead end if they use an outdated URL. Squarespace doesn't create these automatically when you rename a page or change a URL slug, so you'll add them yourself using a built-in tool called URL mappings. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. From there, go to Settings, then Advanced, and select URL mappings. You'll see a single text box. This box is where you'll enter your redirect rules, one per line. Each line is its own redirect, and the format needs to be exact so Squarespace knows what to do. Here's the structure you'll use. Old URL, new URL 301. Let's break that down. The first part, old URL, is the previous path after your domain. It should start with a / and include only the path, not your full domain name. For example, if your old page lived at yoursite.com/aboutus, you would write About Us. The arrow, written as, tells Squarespace to send traffic from the old path to the new one. Then you'll add the new path, again starting with a / such as About. Finally, add 301 to mark the redirect as permanent. That permanent status is what helps search engines pass ranking signals to the new address. A quick example makes this clear. If you've changed an About page from About Us to About, type exactly About Us, About 301. Place that on its own line. If you have multiple pages that moved, put each rule on a new line in the same box. A few helpful reminders as you type. Only use the part of the address that comes after your domain. Always begin with a / and keep the spacing around the arrow exactly as shown. Make sure the new path actually exists on your site before you map to it, and mirror the old path precisely so every previously shared link continues working. That's all there is to it. By adding clear 301 mappings, you avoid broken links, carry your SEO value forward, and create a smooth experience for visitors and search engines alike. Whenever you change a page URL in the future, just return to URL mappings and add a new line in the same format.